Yes, let's look at this question number 17 for WAEC Physics 2018. The bulb of a simple pendulum takes 8.0 seconds to complete 10 oscillations. Determine the frequency of the oscillation of the bulb. A 0.80 Hz, B 1.25 Hz, C 7.50 Hz, D 8.00 Hz. So what is the frequency? Now, for us to understand this very well, we know that frequency by definition is simply the number of oscillations per second. So number of oscillations over time is frequency. So the number of oscillations that is completed in a second, that's what frequency is. Frequency is the number of oscillations per second. So how many oscillations is able to be completed in 1 second? Now if you take this number of oscillations from this is 10, all over time 8. So if you do this, you're going to get 1.25 as the number of oscillation all over 1 second. So if you divide through by 8 here will give you 1, so that you can get per second, because it's 1 second. Divide this one by 8, you get 1.25. So you can say that 1.25 oscillations was done in what? 1 second. In 1 second. You understand? Whereas you had 10 oscillations done in how many? 8 seconds. So if you can do 10 oscillations in 8 seconds, that means you can do 1.25 in 1 second. And the amount of oscillation that you can do in 1 second is the frequency. So the frequency is 1.25 Hz. That is why B is the correct answer, because frequency is simply number of oscillations all over time in seconds. So the number of oscillation here is 10 and time is 8 to give us 1.25 Hz. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you.